In this sort, you'll be sorting with blends that have the SM sm sound, SP sp sound, and SK sk sound. Looking at our pieces, this is pointing to the dog that is small. This little boy, it's pointing to his smile. This picture is smell because the girl is smelling the flower. This is a skirt. This is a picture of a spill. Spider. This is a picture of the sky. A picture of a skunk. This is a spear. A sponge. This is pointing to a smock, and a smock is something you wear to protect yourself when painting or crafting. This is a skate, a spout, smoke, and last are skis. Now it's time to sort our pieces. Small, I hear the SM, sm. Smile, I hear the SM, sm. Skirt, I hear the SK, sk. Spider, I hear the SP, sp. Sky, I hear the SK, sk. Smell, I hear the SM, sm. Spill, I hear the SP, sp. Skunk, I hear the SK, sk. Spear, I hear the SP, sp. Smock, I hear the SM, sm. Spout, I hear the SP, sp. Smoke, I hear the SM, sm. Skate, I hear the SK, sk. Skis, I also hear the SK, sk. And sponge, I hear the SP, sp. So in the SM, sm blend, we have small, smile, smell, smock, and smoke. The SP, sp blend, we have spider, spill, spear, spout, and sponge. In the SK, sk blends, we have skirt, sky, skunk, skate, and skis.